Smurfs X Crocs collection introduces a whimsical trio of styles, matching classic clogs for adults and kids, and a special platform clog inspired by Smurfette. Each pair features playful all-over graphics showcasing beloved characters like Papa Smurf and Smurfette. All clogs come preloaded with themed Jibbitz charms that mirror the design, enhancing their cartoon appeal. The Smurfette-themed Platform Clog highlights the character in classic fashion, holding a mirror and flower, printed across the upper and echoed through coordinating Jibbitz. Additional details include Smurfette branding on the heel strap, blue sidewalls with more character artwork, and accessories shaped like mushrooms, flowers, and mirrors. The full Smurfs X Crocs collection is set to release on June 18, 2025, via Crocs and select retailers both online and in-store. The Smurfette Platform Clog will be available in women's sizing and priced at $80.